Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about how to join and break curves in Affinity. Let's begin. So I've got my canvas ready here, and first I'm gonna share about joining curves. So I'll grab the pen tool and draw some lines here. Three lines are enough. I'm gonna select all by pressing Ctrl A and set the stroke width to 10 point. If I want to connect all lines, I can press Ctrl A to select all. Then make sure pen tool is selected. Then go to the context toolbar here at the top, hit Action, and click Join Curves. Now you might notice only these two sides are joined, and this side is still open. Let's undo this, and I'll grab the node tool. If I move this node nearer, then I press V to select Move Tool, and then press Ctrl A to select all, select Pen Tool, click Action, and Join Curves. These sides are joined, and this one is still open. Let's undo this again, and select the node tool. Then I'll move this node further, this one further as well. Press V to select Move Tool, press Ctrl A to select all, then click Pen Tool, go to Action, and Join Curves. Only these sides are connected. This side remains open. I guess that's just how Join Curves works. It only connects the closest end nodes of the open curves and leaves the furthest one open. However, I still can connect them manually. With the pen tool selected, just click on one end and then the other end to join. Or click on the Action button at the context toolbar and hit Close Curve. Now they're all joined. Next, if I want to disconnect the curves, I can select the node tool, click on the node I want to break, then select the pen tool, click on the Action button, and click Break Curve. Now select node tool. You can see it's disconnected. Let's break another one. With the node tool selected, click the node to break. Select pen tool, click Action, then Break Curve. Select the node tool, and it's disconnected now. So that's how you join and break curves in Affinity. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Like and subscribe if you do. And as always, thanks for watching and good day.